Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday and yes, it's another handover with Sigma Homes. I'm nervous, I'm excited. We've got cones blocking driveways. Let me tell you what's really happening here. 16 weeks ago, our clients moved out of their home and they made one promise, and that was they were not coming back till today, the day of handover. This home needed a new design and a lot of work. Outside, we fitted a new roof, new windows and external insulation. Outside, we fitted a new biocycle unit. We also fitted a new patio, new gardens and a front driveway and all new plants. From the very first day I met our client in the house, I could see where all the frustration was coming from. The kitchen, it was dark, it had no connection to the outside. The bedroom was long and it was narrow, and the house, it needed a lot of work. Behind these double doors, it is magic. Behind every door is magic, but the true magic is in the design. This design is so exciting, with that new porch leading you straight into that family room, with that new kitchen, new utility and a large glazed dining connecting you to the patio. This room feels so cozy and so comfortable the minute you walk in. When I think back, these floors, we raised all the levels and now it's the same as the hallway, and you feel it as you walk in. Behind us, there used to be double doors. Now we have a window, creating that nice cozy room. Our design of this fireplace and TV stand has turned out really well. It's hard to believe. There used to be a big old chimney here. We knocked it and we replaced it with this gorgeous unit with the new air to water system. This is perfect for heating your home. Our design of this 80-inch TV stand and fire surround make this the perfect living room. This room is the main bathroom. On our right, we've got 3 guest bedrooms. This is our home office. And most importantly, the master bedroom. This bedroom is amazing, with that big connection to the outside, the vaulted ceilings, and I love this headboard. We bought this in Finline Furniture. A carpet really makes a master bedroom so cozy. The colour here we went for is a Daydreamer in Christie's flooring. From the minute you walk into this room, you know everything just works perfectly, with the big vaulted ceilings bringing in all that natural light. Our living room and kitchen, everything works so well here together. And a big thank you to all the Sigma Homes team, and a special thanks to Yvonne, James and Gary, who work very hard behind the scenes choosing all the light fittings, all the paint colours and everything you can see. Our clients are going to be coming up the driveway. Can you imagine what will go through their mind when they get to see their new forever home?